All right, Algebra 2A, Mr. Wilmuth here with lesson 9.6. We are going to model real world data by talking about families of functions. So you'll want to look in section 9.6 of your online textbook. This is a chart that's really going to help us out here. All right, so we got four types of graphs that we're just going to have to kind of identify, and then we'll do a little bit of regression on our calculator as well. Remember, you go to stat, edit, and all that stuff, and you can use the TI online graphing calculator on the resources webpage there. Okay, linear. Linear means your x values are going up the same and your y values are going up the same. Quadratic means your x values are going up the same, your y values, the second differences are going to be the same. Okay? Exponential. X values are going up the same again, and then you're looking for like doubling or tripling or seeing like that, looking at that. And then square root's easy to identify because your y's are going to be the same, but your x's are going to be going up by a different amount. Okay? So linear, quadratic, exponential, square root. The easiest thing to do is just kind of go by process of elimination here. So, x values, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, going up by the same thing. Okay? Y values, are they going up by the same thing? Well, let's see here. 35, 35. Yeah, they are going up by the same thing. So constant x values, constant y values, that means it is a linear function. Okay? What about this one? All right, x values going up the same, so we know it's not square root. Y values. Well, let's do our differences table here. That's 55. That's negative 11. That is negative 55. And that is negative 99. Okay? So that's going to be what? 55 to negative 11 is 66. And negative 11 to negative 55 is negative 40. Actually, we don't even need to do that. If we see that it's not linear, I'm sorry, it has to be quadratic. So these are going up the same. This isn't getting multiplied, going up and up and up or down and down and down. It has to be exponential. So this has to be quadratic. So if the first differences aren't the same, which they're not, then it's quadratic. You could also, let's try that again. Oh, look at this one. X values going up differently, y values going the same. That's easy. That's the last one. That is the square root function. Okay? And last but not least here, write a quadratic function. So I will tell you, you'll use your regression. This is where you go to stat, edit, use the TI. I already did this over here for you, so it said quadratic, so we write it out. Y equals 0.5x squared plus 2.5x plus 8. Okay, so when I ask you to do a regression, I'll tell you what you need to write. Go from there. Okay, that's it. On the worksheet, you're just going to have to identify what it is. So we've got linear, quadratic, exponential, and square root. Look at that table in your book. You'll also have a key on the worksheet. And then on the assessment, you'll have to identify a couple by what they are. All right, that is it for chapter 9, and that is it for the lessons for the year. I will be in touch with the worksheet, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.